Anupama. Full name? Anupama Srinivasan.
We are here in the studio this afternoon with Miss Anupama Srinivasan, who is a very, very interesting person doing lots of interesting work. Ma'am, can you tell us something about your work?
I'm basically a former journalist who now works in media training.
What kind of media training?
Both print and radio.
Um,
Oh, excuse me. Hello. Yeah, as soon as possible.
can you have time tomorrow, ma'am? Can I come to your office tomorrow?
Why don't you call me and see? I'm not sure.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Of interviewing a lab technician who used very technical language to explain what he does in the lab. Then I cut out that whole thing and then I said, Mr. Mohammed looks at some 100 sputum samples every day that he collects from TB patients. He is a very valuable cog in the machine in TB control. Without him giving the results, the TB program cannot go forward. I reduced it to 3 sentences. Right? Okay, now give your feedback on this other interview. Okay. Good afternoon, viewers. We are here in the studio with Ms. Anupama Srinivasan, media. Can you cut that? We'll record that. Good afternoon, listeners. We are here in the studios with Ms. Anupama Srinivasan. She is a media technical consultant with REACH, a non-governmental organization working in TB control in Chennai. Welcome to our studios, Ms. Anupama. So good to have you with us.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
You work in the media and you want to get the media to do more reporting on TV, particularly through community radio. What is the biggest challenge in that kind of work?
I think one main challenge is just getting people to recognize that TB is important. We all have so many different priorities. So to get TB on someone's radar, and once it's there, we know that they don't forget about it. We know that they continue to remain interested in it. But that first step, have you thought about doing a story on TB? That's the step that's most important.
How many journalists have you trained so far? How many are with you in your journey?
I think over the last 3 years, we've worked with over 50 journalists, obviously at different levels of intensity, some in very intensive sessions, some others more casually. And I think a majority of them continue to retain their interest. Obviously it's not, how do you define regular reporting? It's not that someone is doing a story every minute, but when they do, they keep in touch, they check with us, and I think that's what is most important.
Sorry. Style, you can change that. Okay. Feedback on that one? Slightly less boring.
Less boring. It's good. It's like a prepared one.
It's like a prepared one.
The starting liner that you just added it. That's idea. The designation you took, no?
Yeah.
It was wrong designation and you told that you just added it.
Yeah.
The mobile is breaking
Mobile
the
is
somewhat
switched off.
awkward. I want her to put it in silent at least.
Electronic
Perfect. Perfect. This time I wanted her to stop just to get that reminder for this workshop. Then?
When entering the studio, switch off the mobile.
Yeah.
The first
Any
one.
electronic gadget.
Otherwise, it will be.
Okay. That's
Still
it.
not written any designation and any 2 or 3 sentences before the interview.
It was somewhat serious interview, like
Not interesting.
not interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. But definitely better than the first one.
Yeah.
At least the name of the person, the designation, and then immediately diving into what she does.
What she-
Sometimes we find in both in community radio as well as with All India Radio, particularly with All India Radio, the name of the doctor and the designation will be correctly announced. Then they will, the first question, supposing it's the director of the Tamil Nadu State AIDS Control Society, the first question will be how many AIDS cases are there? That's usually the first
Yeah.
question. Now, to break that mold a little bit, if you come into community radio, they don't get the name right or the designation right, and then it will always be tell us more about your work. It's usually like that. This is all the programs that we listen to, we see that kind of thing. What is a better way to start? After you introduce a guest on air, what is a good way to start? Thank you, Anu. What is a good way to start?